So welcome back. Today I'm looking at more True Wireless, and actually the reason I'm looking at this one is because they say it's really good for sleeping. It's really tiny and it's saying it's really comfortable, so that's why I want to try it out. And if you are like me, sometimes you do sleep with music. Sometimes you just want a little background sound. I want a little music or a little sound to relax. And like my normal buds, they're a little bit big. If you sleep on your back, it's going to be okay, but once you turn to your side, it's going to be kind of uncomfortable. So that's why it's not like I went looking, but I was on the site and I saw these, and they call them sleep. What's the name again? Sleep wireless buds, something like that. But somewhere else it's saying sport buds, so I'm not really sure what's what. Let's take a look at the back. Anything interesting for you to see? And let's open it and take a look inside. Ooh, a damaged box. I'm not planning to return it anyway, so. Yes, it's from AliExpress and it does cost more to send it back than to keep it. So even if I'm not satisfied, I'm not going to send it back anyway. So let's take a look. They're promising really, really small. And, oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay. It's like beans. They don't really go like into your ear canal. Okay. Right. And the case is not often you get like a case without the buds in it. That's weird. All right. Well, it was cheap. Cheap. €8.19. I mean, if you look at my, what was it, the X15 and the M25, those were like €4 or €5. So this one is a little bit more, but it's still relatively cheap. Quality-wise, yes. Quality-wise, but the case does feel cheap. I got a feeling if you drop it one too many times, it is going to break. So, is it charged? Do I need to remove any plastic? No, there is no plastic to remove. So let's just pop them in. And that's how it is. So like I said, my main focus is going to be sleep. If it's comfortable or not, I will just check the general music quality. Personally, I'm not expecting too much. But you never know. I might be surprised. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge it up. I believe it's charged. I'm going to look into it. So they're saying it's like IPX5. But I would be careful. I mean, it is AliExpress. And the battery life, 6 hours. That's what they're promising. Again, I don't know. Personally, I'm expecting somewhere around 3 hours maybe. But we'll see. And what else? Yeah, that's about it. Bluetooth 5.3, if it's accurate. Who knows? I'm going to give them a test for a few nights, and then I'm going to get back to you with my opinion to tell you if it's worth picking up for sleeping with, of course. I'm not going to focus too much on just listening to music on a daily basis. I'm going to look more on the sleeping aspect, if it's good or not. Okay? I'll get back to you with my verdict.